tell people try them anyway because props are fun. Okay, so how do I use blocks? Blocks behind my feet, blocks to the outside of my feet. Both are awesome. What I like about the blocks behind the feet is that you can put the palm on the block with your fingers going off the block. That creates less of an incline or less of an angle for the wrists, which can make it more accessible for people. So hands are here, right? I lift up. And then again, sometimes it's also easier to lift the feet up off the ground because you're up higher already. Feet walk in towards each other. I lift the chest up. I explore lifting 1 or 2 feet up off the ground. That checks out okay. I extend the legs out to the side. Yeah? Okay. So that concludes, where am I? That concludes Tittibhasana, Firefly, okay? Again, this one I find because it's symmetrical, it can be more challenging for people's bodies because getting one shoulder behind the head, I keep saying that, one shoulder behind the knee versus 2 shoulders behind 2 knees, it's a lot more intense, okay? So I wanted to start with that one because it's the symmetrical one. Where I would put that in the sequence is normally at the bottom of the 3rd wave because it's symmetrical, meaning the left and the right side are doing the same thing, okay? I'll talk about countering after I do these other 2 poses.